Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. For those who like soup, today we are going to make mustard soup and meatball soup. The soup base is made from mustard, which is delicious, appetizing, warm, and delicious. Just treat the meatballs as you like. They are really delicious. This soup is simple to make and suitable for most people. Hurry up and save the recipes. And click to follow my channel because you will receive the simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please feel free to give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are Sichuan vegetable, ginger, celery, and meatballs. Just put your favorite meatballs for this recipe. Chopped ginger. Sliced Sichuan vegetables. Diced celery. Chopped celery leaves and said acid. Cut artificial crab sticks and meatballs into sections. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add Sichuan vegetable. Add 1 big bowl of hot water. Simmer to bring out the flavor. One teaspoon chicken powder. One teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Add celery. Add meatballs and cook until cook. Pour our soup into soup bowl. Garnish with celery leaves. Delicious Sichuan vegetable meatball soup is ready to eat. This soup is refreshing, non-greasy, fragrant, and appetizing. It's really comforting to have a bowl on a hot day. Celery is rich in a plant compound called phthalate. This phytochemical relaxes your artery walls to help blood flow and to lower your blood pressure. Research in mice suggests that a compound called DL3-N-butylphthalate made from seeds in the flowers of the celery plant improves learning, thinking, and memory. Since soups are mostly liquid, they're a great way to stay hydrated and full. They give your immune system a boost. Soups can help you stave off cold and flu. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.